Today let us introduce this handheld laser welding machine. As you can see, it consists of control machine part and wire feed machine part. The device wire connection is finished and very easy. There are two wires between the feeder machine and control part machine. The left wire is normal and the right one is thicker. Corresponding, the right one is connected to the second port and the left one is connected to the fourth port. We can twist off and on to do or remove the connection. The third port is used to input the nitrogen for welding. And the first port is the control part machine wire connected to the power supply. Before we use the machine, we should fix the wire feeder bracket to the welding head like this, and keep the wire into the copper nozzle. Now it is okay, we begin to connect the gas pipe. Usually we will prepare two kinds connectors for you to connect. 6 and 8 millimeters. Connect and open the gas canister. Now everything is okay. Turn on the switch. Let us look back to the control part machine. From top to bottom, flip the switches in sequence. Corresponding, when shutting down the device, we also need to turn off the switches in sequence from bottom to top. Now you can see the English interface. Before starting to weld, we should hold the object to be welded with this yellow clamp. This is a protection mechanism. If not, the device will not work properly. Click the laser enable to start to weld. You just need to set different peak powers for different materials according to the welding effect. The device can store previous welding parameters. Here are 9 programs for you to store so that you can use them directly later on. Now the testing goes on. Until the weld looks like this, it is okay. The wire feeder machine speed can be set from 60 to 80 according to different diameters welding wires and seams. Now let us see the wire feeder machine. Look at the first screw on the left. We tighten and loosen this screw to secure the red pipe. You can remove the red pipe by loosening the screw. We will remove the pipe and wire roll for delivery, and you need to install them on your side. Now this handheld welding machine factory testing is over. Thanks for your watching. Welcome your inquiry.